Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this page so we can keep up on all the current inventory. Today we'll be going through the 2019 Harris Sunliner 250. You can see this is a very sharp looking boat with the blue and silver accents and the gray, French gray flooring. Alright, we walk around the back of the boat here. See a ski pylon going over the outboard, as well as a 200 horsepower outboard on this boat. Coming back over here, we have our heavy duty boarding ladder. Take us to the back entry of the boat. The back gate will allow you entrance to the cockpit, where you see several large rear facing loungers here with lots of storage underneath the seats. Once again, Harris, on the Harris boats, all of the seats are double hinged for quality and durability. Let's move forward. The French gray interior with the gray French gray weave flooring looks really nice together. This flooring is very easy to clean, stays cool, and looks really nice, as well as feels nice on the feet. You see a nice big helm station here. You have your Simrad touchscreen, GPS, as well as digital dash. You got your stereo controls here, and some nice gauges to keep an eye on everything while you're cruising down the lake. So over here on the port side, you have a large entry door, as well as co-captain seat and storage and drink holders for your passenger. More room for passengers up on the front with two large wraparound loungers, as well as some in-floor storage. At the front of the boat here, you're going to have an entry door, so you can park either it backed in, straight forward, or on the port side for easy access off of the boat. Looking back at the boat, you'll see a large and tall bimini in the back booted position right now. Comes up and provides plenty of shade while you're out on the lake. Once again, thank you for watching this video. My name is Ben Beecher with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. If you have any questions, or you can find us online at www.marinemax.com.